Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of natural gas. And so I wanted to go over this, doing another follow up because I was pretty surprised at how far the price dropped today. But I think it did come back to a pretty important level, so I'll be going over that in this video, not only talking about it on the commodity chart behind me, but also with United States natural gas, ticker symbol UNG, as well as the 2x leverage position, which is ticker symbol BOIL, or BOIL. And so getting into this chart, so I was hoping this yellow line would serve as support, which was right around $2.48.7. However, today, Monday, December 11th, opened well below that, dipped well below that, but I do think it came back to an important level. And so that is based on the Fibonacci retracement that I have gone over in previous videos, which you can see here. And that level is the 786 retracement, which is right around the closing price on Monday, December 11th. So I think that there's something there. And so I'm just going to zoom in on the chart so we can take a look at that. And then I will relate it to the two ETFs that I had mentioned. So let's see. Looking at this, what we can see is that the 786, that's right here, kind of faint, but right by my head, that is at a price of $2.40.38. And the closing price today for Monday, December 11th, was $2.40.1. So very close to that Fibonacci level. It's disappointing that it closed below it, but seeing this bottoming tail, this hammer candle on the day, I feel pretty encouraged by that because buyers were stepping in below this Fibonacci level, and there was quite an impressive move from this, I believe, over 20% dip on the day, which turned into a decrease of less than 5% on the day. So I think that's some pretty good news. Also, I do want to point out that there have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candle days. I'm not sure if this is actually a thing, but this pattern of sevens, Gareth Soloway's talked about it. If it's been red 7 days, it might be likely to turn around. With this bottoming tail, this hammer candle, I do feel a little more confident in a reversal because the pattern for the day does suggest that. But anyways, one thing that I want to do, since I personally don't hold the commodity, I hold one of the ETFs, I want to relate this drop that's highlighted in this blue arrow here. I want to relate that drop from Friday's close to the Fibonacci level to see where UNG and BOIL stand. And so the drop on this chart from Friday's close represents a 4.55% drop. To get to this level, this Fibonacci level, the 786, which is a price of $2.40.38, which the close was right around closing at on the day of $2.40.1, as I had mentioned. Okay, and so now I'm going to take this 4.55% drop and relate that now to the chart of UNG. And so I did that at the beginning of the day. I did put a post on YouTube, so hopefully, you saw that, so you knew that there was a level to be looking for the price to return to. And so that drop here is of 4.58%, so approximately 4.55, and that would be at a level of $4.79. And if you notice, UNG closed 2 cents above that. So I think that's a really good sign. While the commodity was not exactly above that level, not at it, slightly below it, I think it's good to see that UNG is above it and that generally the prices have returned to that level from this massive drop that we saw today. And then now I'm also going to show BOIL, which that drop would be 9.12% because it is 2x. And that would be at a price of $27.11. unfortunately, the close was $27.06. So, like the commodity, just below that level we want to see it closing at. But if you do notice the after hours trading, it's now at 27.20 cents or $27.20. So, I do think that there is some hope, especially when looking at the commodity chart and seeing this strong bottoming tail. Let's see, and actually, I'm going to try to do a quick calculation of what that recovery was. So that was a drop of, let's see, actually, I'm going to do that based on the close of Friday, approximately. That was a more than 10%. I guess I was looking at BOIL, and so that's why I thought of 20%. But yeah, so we'll have to see what happens in the coming trading days in this week. Hopefully, we see a green candle on the commodity, UNG, and BOIL tomorrow, and we start to see signs that this is actually the bottom. I do have hope, and I'm just going to continue to make these videos, and hopefully, we're able to succeed together. And, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.